Welcome to C++ tutorial for beginners. In this video series, we are going to learn C++ programming language. Our learning motto is don't just study, instead learn. Today's learning motto, time spent on learning is never a waste. In this tutorial, we are going to learn basics of C++, OOPS concept, then solving simple programs and then control statements, etc. Basics of C++. The first thing we need to learn in any basics is that its definition. But we are going to learn the definition, not just memorizing it. Let's move. What is C++? C++ is a middle level programming language. Why C++ is a middle level programming language? Before knowing that, we are going to learn what is programming and what is programming language. First, what is programming? Programming is telling a computer to perform a task. But computers cannot understand our language, which is a human language. Computer can only understand machine language. Their programming language comes into a picture. Programming language used to translate human language into a machine language. By definition, programming language is a set of instructions that is used to translate human language into a machine language. The low level languages are close to machine language and then high level language are close to the programmer. However, the language C++ serves the both aspects, hence it is called middle level language. Next, C++ is an object-oriented programming language. Why C++ is an object-oriented programming language? Any programming language that makes use of object, classes and OOPS concept are known as object-oriented programming language. So now we are going to see what is object-oriented programming language. Object-oriented programming language is a programming language that built on the concept of the objects. Let's see a real world example. Actually, the definition of object is it is a real world entity. So consider this car, which is an object. Object will have their own attributes and methods. What does it mean? For example, car will have its own properties, right? Like the color, weight, model. So the color and weight of the car will be considered as the attributes of car. Then what the method means? Technically, method is used to perform an operation. In this example, what car can do or what can we make car to do? We can make the car to move, to stop, drive, brake, etc. So these were the operations of car and technically they were the methods. This was the simplest introduction to C++. Thank you. In the upcoming videos, we are going to learn about the OOPS concept and then variables, data types, etc.